Hey guys, this is Lele and we're gonna be going down the road. I'm in skates and she's on my bike, and she's spinning up me last night. Okay. Let's just hope we don't drop the iPod here.
Yeah, you drop my iPod, you're gonna be buying me a new one. Oh, a golf cart. I want to take a ride on the golf cart.
Ah, it's a car! A car behind us. Oh God. Hello, car. Bye-bye, car. I can't.
She's gonna end up killing herself while she's in front of me.
Are you able to hold the video camera, drive with only one hand?
Yeah.
Then you want to try to hold the video camera?
Hold on.
There's a car coming. Hey, followers! This is hopefully going on YouTube, right?
Better hope. Okay, we're good. Get in front. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. That's not fair, you're ahead of me. You're in skates. Yeah, I can go much further than you. I really can.
You know how to stop, right?
Yeah.
Well, why haven't you been using your brakes?
Ugh. That's so cool.
Is it getting you? Yeah. Oh, sure. Police house, but there's no police car right now. He's probably at work. Yeah, because I'm going to have to get off into the grass in a second. Because I can't go down this hill if I'll fall. I can't completely go down this hill. Ah! That was my foot.
I gotta go slow.
I'm in a stranger's yard. This is scary. It's crab. Okay. I think I'm ready. She's so far back. People in their yard. This isn't even funny how far back. I think she's getting up. Yeah, she's catching up. Hold on, I need to tighten the shoe. Woman, you gotta let me tighten the skate. Oh yeah, leave me. That's so nice of you. Ow, poop. These ain't even my skates. These are my little brother's. Next time when we come back, we're going to end the video when we get down there, but when we come back and start driving around, we're going to face the camera the other way so we could just see how fast you're going here.
Yeah, pretty much.
Because it's so hard doing this because you don't know what you're getting. Taylor, I'm going to have to drive up into the grass in a second. This is already getting way too fast.
Better watch out, girl. They see my arm. Get it up.
I'm in someone's yard. I'm not supposed to be in their yard. I almost fell. Whew. That was one scary trip. Taylor's all the way up there now. It's not even funny how far I am now. Just because I had to pull off. They don't know they're coming. Hey, look, it's Birdie. Ah. You need to take the video camera some now.
Except I was above her. Yeah, they say they keep seeing people around these bushes. Tell them all about it.
Yeah, we keep hearing noises too.
They keep hearing noises.
And she even
Are we going down a hill?
I don't know.
Because if we are... Lacey, get after the video. See you. Lacey, I can't. Bye, people. They have a pool party. See, where's her dog, Stephanie? Going to who? Who's Stephanie?
Someone else.
Yeah.
I can hold it going up the hill and you tell it.
You almost dropped.
I didn't know you were going to let go like that. I'm trying to get up. I have to run. Let's take a break for a second. Sit down in the middle of the road. Fine with it. Those cars coming. We're gonna end this video so we can turn the camera around. Bye.